Alright, so this video is slightly different, I guess, maybe, than my normal content, but not really. It tracks with my normal content. So anyway, I got in my head the other week that I wanted to start eating, growing sprouts, which are over here. I don't know why I got it in my head, but I was like, I want to do sprouts. And before anyone, I mean, you can all make the comment, I don't care. But before anyone makes the comment that I can do this in a mason jar and just order a mesh lid for the mason jar, I'm fully aware of that. Fully aware of that. But I wanted something slightly different that looks nice on my counter, that is like a system that works well. And so I found this Canadian company called Forages. And I ended up ordering a kit from them. You can order 1, 2, or 3 jar kits. And they come with seeds. And everything is dishwasher safe. Everything is yeah. And I honestly like the way it looks. I like the way it just like fits together. Here, I'll show everyone. So it drains the water into here, which is very nice. And it also has, I don't think you can actually see, but it has the days on here, so you can put the little arrow on the day that you started it, because it takes 5 days. So anyway, these are alfalfa sprouts, but I thought I would also start some spring salad sprouts. So we're just gonna kind of open this together and start the sprouts together. When you do start a new sprout mix, you need to, let's see if I can focus. You do need to soak the seeds for 2 to 4 hours, so that's what we are going to do. But let's go ahead and open this. Yeah. Part of me feels bad for literally breaking the nice shiny seal. And like I said, it's a Canadian company, so everything is in English and French. And everything is honestly like really nicely packaged. And it shipped quickly. I will say that. It shipped quickly. And we didn't have to pay tariffs on it. Because, you know, America. Alright, so that's what it comes with. I do need to wash this stuff very quickly before we actually do things. But this is what it looks like. It does say Forages on it. I don't know if you can actually tell. It does say Forages on it. Nice little touch. But let me go wash this stuff up, and then I'll show you the actual starting of the soaking of the sprouts. Okay, so you want to do 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon since I have those sprouts going back there. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the salad mix. And then I'm going to take some cool, like room temperature water and just fill it a little bit so these can soak. Alright, there's that. We'll just set this on top, like that. And then we'll just set this in here to soak. And if you're curious what is in the spring salad sprout mix, it is broccoli, radish, alfalfa, and clover. And all these kits come with the starter guide. Tells you what things you can sprout, every step, all the things. So honestly, I really like it so far. We'll be back in like 3 hours to do the first rinse, and then from there it's like super, super, super easy. Okay, it's been like 4.5 hours, so I'm gonna dump this and then I'm gonna rinse it. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it like this. And we'll do another rinse in the morning. All right, this is what it looks like. Kind of blurry. I'm just gonna rinse it. That's what you do. You rinse it twice a day, once in the morning, once at night, for 5 days. And then you have sprouts. I'll show you the one that I have that's on about day 3. All right, this is my day 3-ish. I started this Friday night, and it's currently Tuesday morning. So that's where we're at with this one. I don't know if I mentioned yesterday, but this is alfalfa sprouts. Yeah, this will probably be done tomorrow night or Thursday morning. So there we have the alfalfa sprouts. All right. I did not film day 2, I think it was. I did not film day 2. So it's day 3 now. And this is what they look like. So I'm just gonna rinse it. Like I said, I've been rinsing it once every morning, once every evening, and this is day 3 for this. And then this one, it is day 5 for this. So what I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna rinse them, and I'm gonna take them out of the container and put them in the fridge. And I did already try them, and they are fantastic. So let me just rinse these, and then we will handle those. All right, so this is day 5 of this one, and like I said in the beginning, I only did 1 tablespoon of the sprouts, so that's why it's not completely full. But yeah, it only takes 5 days to make your sprouts. I'm gonna rinse this one more time tonight, and then I'll store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. But yeah, that is literally it. That's how you grow your own sprouts. I know this video is kind of probably boring, but we've had dogs here. My mom was in town. We kind of just had a lot going on. Yeah, I do recommend growing your own sprouts. I haven't tasted this mix yet. I've not tasted the salad mix yet, so we'll see how good it is. But that is that. Maybe my next video will be sourdough related. It might be garden related. I'm not too sure, but I will obviously figure it out. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.